Stranger 3. Surely Shakespeare is wicked, the map a bad example, with ships and sun and love tempting them to steal for lives that slyly turn in their cramped holes from fog to endless night. On their slag heap, these children wear skins peeped through by bones and spectacles of steel, with mended glass like bottle bits on stones. All of their time and space are foggy slum. So blot their maps with slums as big as doom. So in this third stanza, the poet is saying that these children are unable to achieve any benefit from education. Therefore, they do not have any regards for Shakespeare. To them, Shakespeare is a cruel person. Their lives are limited to their slums. Hence, map, which represents movement and opportunity, is not a correct example for them. The posters of ship and sun indicate travel, brightness, energy, and acceptance, but they do not have access to any of these aspects. They are bound to lead a suffocated life. So, in order to obtain acceptance, they engage themselves in stealing. Their lives are limited to small and overcrowded houses. Their house is small and many people live in one house. Their life does not give them any opportunity. So the poet says here that it is deceiving them. Their life is hazy, it means unclear. The darkness in their life is never ending. Endless night has been metaphorically used to indicate absence of happiness and opportunity. On their slag heap, these children wear skins peeped through by bones and spectacles of steel with mended glass like bottle bits on stones. These children live on heaps of rejects and waste. It means that they live in a dirty environment. They are so weak, so lean that their bones are visible through their skins. It means that they do not get sufficient food. Their space are made of steel. It is fitted with repaired glass, so it looks like made by joining many pieces broken glass. It means that they are unable to see the outside world. There are several restrictions for them. All of their time and space are foggy slum. So blot their maps with slums as big as doom. So their life is forever limited to their dirty slums. The area around them is filled with bigger slums. So they are bound to live in slums. It is a misfortune for them that they get to see only slums around them. These conditions indicate that escape from their present condition is not possible for these unlucky children.